Hey ladies, so today I'm going to show you how to make a little basic boutique bow. I'm using 1.5-inch ribbon purchased from CC's Ribbon and Things, and a 6-inch template purchased from A&L Display. I have let me measure it. It is 30 inches long. You need needle and thread. I'm going to go ahead and heat seal mine, and I do that with the wood burner. I am right-handed, so I tend to start everything with my right. So I am going to, let me put this down. I'm going to leave about like 1/2 inch right there and just wrap it around once, 2 times, 3 times, and 4. And I like my bows to have a little tail. So now I'm going to get a ballpoint pen, needle, stick that in the center, take my clip off, slide my ribbon off, and I want my tail to be down. So I'm just going to start opening up the loops. Just like that. That's what the front side looks like, and that's what the back side looks like. And I'm going to get my needle and thread. Start here at the bottom where the little V is at, and sew up. And take that pin out. Just like that. I'm going to pull my thread through, and I'm using upholstery thread. Pull that tightly, wrap it around tightly, pull the thread tightly, and knot it. Just like that. I'm gonna leave my thread on. So now you can just play with your loops. And most of the time I put both 2 fingers or 4 fingers in one finger in each loop and give it a pull. Just like that. That's for the boutique bow, but if you don't want it to be so perky like that, you can leave it a little bit more relaxed. Like that. It's just preference. I like my bows to be like this. So I'm going to cut my tail at an angle. Be careful that you don't cut your loops. Get your lighter or wood burner and heat seal that tail. And if you like your bows to be stiff, you can use a stiffening spray, or you can use hairspray. It's just preference. I'm going to use a 3/8 inch ribbon, and I'm going to heat seal that, and I'm going to use a 1.75 inch hair clip, alligator clip. Mine has teeth. I'm going to add some glue right there. Alongside the flat side. I'm going to bring it around and cut right there where it matches with the ribbon. Then I'm going to heat seal this part. I'm going to add glue and then put it on the back side of my hair bow. Just like that, and press it down. And then with the remaining of your thread, open it up and just wrap around. And then tie it off. This ensures that your bow is not gonna fall off, your clip's not gonna fall off. Just like that, we finally clip that off. This is my 3/8 inch ribbon. I'm going to add some glue to the bottom of it. Open my clip up and put it in the center. I'm holding it down. And then I'm going to wrap it around my bow. And I wrap it tightly. I open up my clip and then I add some more glue to the center. And when I pull it, I pull down tightly. And then finally I let go, clip that off, heat seal that part. So for the remaining of this ribbon, what I do, and I use tweezers to help, I get my glue gun and I add glue all alongside that. I use my tweezers to grab it and to help me put it in, and sometimes I use my finger to just press everything down, or I will put my tweezers in between it. And that's it. Now you have this cute little hair bow. And like I said, for the most part, I usually add a stiffening spray before I add my clip and my center, but for the purpose of this video, I didn't. And this bow measures 4 inches wide and about 3 inches, 4 inches wide by 3 inches long. And if you, like I said, there's another, this is more of like the relaxed bow. That's the second option that you can do. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll put the link to the templates and the hair bow ribbon in the description below. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.